Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this video for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to watch your baby girl. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this yummy vegetable soup that can pair with anything you want to have it with. It goes with vegetable, it goes with rice, it goes with yam, it goes with potato, it goes with everything. You can just have this on its own if that is what you want to enjoy. So if this is the video you feel you would enjoy, please stay tuned and watch up to the very end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Without further much delay, let us dive right into the video and start cooking this yummy, sumptuous, delicious, nourishing and everything good pot of stew. So I'll be starting with my chicken. I didn't add my chicken to this soup. I ended up using my chicken for something else, but I used some of the chicken stock for this vegetable soup. So yeah, I am just seasoning my chicken with my seasoning cube and salt. I tried to keep it as simple as possible. I don't want to contradict the seasoning and the flavor, so I didn't add any curry, thyme and things like that. So I just allowed it to steam gently and I cooked this till tender. So that's what I did here. And so yeah, it has already steamed a little bit and I added water to cook it till it is completely cooked. So that's what I'm doing right here. I added water to cook it till tender. I love my chicken being soft. I love cooking it very soft because of my children. So I covered it and I proceeded cooking my vegetable stew. So in my pot I added my palm oil. I allowed it bleached for some minutes, say a minute to 2 minutes. Then I added in my onion. That's what I'm doing right now. I added my onion. I stirred it up and I'm going to go in with my pepper right now. So that's just what I did. It's a simple recipe. It's not something serious. So it's just something very easy. And you know, we cannot cook vegetable soup without adding locust beans now. So I added a bunch of locust beans. Don't come for my head, I love locust beans, so I added a bunch of it. So if you don't mind, you can go with me and add as much or as little as you can tolerate. But as for me, as far as the Ekiti girl that I am, I love my locust beans, so I added enough of that. So I just stirred it, I covered it and allowed it cook. So just stirring it around to dissolve my locust bean. And yeah, my locust bean doesn't have sound, to sound free. So yeah, I'm adding my pomo. Federal government, leave our pomo for us. This thing has been saving lives since 19 cockroach. Leave our pomo for us, okay? So let's continue. So I added salt a little because my iru contained a little bit of salt, so I just went minimal on that. So I covered it. I added my seasoning cube at this point, and you can see it's already bubbling. It's already doing it's in already. So you can see how good it's looking already. So yeah, the pomo is doing justice. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I love the vibe I'm getting from this pomo. I added a little pomo. I will not lie. But it gave me what I wanted. Kai, at this point, I felt like cooking rice. But you can see how good it's looking at this point. It's just doing no more. Local soup sometimes used to do it. So I added this vegetable my dad brought from Ekiti State. I don't know the name of the vegetable, but it's green vegetable straight from the farm. And you can just tell that this pot of soup is just going to be all in one, just yummy, and it pairs well with pounded yam. It eats differently. If you try this recipe, this vegetable gang with pounded yam, pounded though, not pounded yam. That sleep that you sleep that night and you will enjoy yourself. So yeah, I'm just stirring in. Yeah, I'm just stirring it in, and I'll allow you to watch the rest of the video. If you have watched up until this point, please consider subscribing to the channel. I don't know why it's losing focus at this point. It's just losing focus. It's not picking what I wanted to pick. So yeah, just please subscribe. Better, so you can see how green it still looks, see how yummy. And I will still repeat it that the pomo was giving what it was supposed to give. Sure you get. So please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Get me to 1k. I'm on 600 right now. Get me to 1000. I'll see you in my next video. Remain blessed.